everyone. Okay, today we are making hot link wrapped with the bacon. I like turkey bacon, so I wrapped it with the bacon. So, and then we're gonna make a sandwich. We're gonna fry this a little bit. Same time, we have a chopped onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno. Jalapeno is optional. If you like hot, you can add it. If not, it's okay. And chopped garlic. Okay, for this sandwich, we don't need to fry onion and the others, you know, if we just fry it is fine. As long as the hot link is ready, the bacon is ready, so we can start to wrap up the sandwich. Okay, our big bucket, I cut it, is ready. We're gonna put all the goodies inside. And of course, tomato is the last part. Smells wonderful. It's going to be a yummy, fully loaded sandwich. Okay, you ready? Look at here. It's wonderful. Fast, easy. It doesn't even take like 5 minutes. You can have yummy sandwiches and enjoy of eating the hot link, bacon, and all the veggies. خدای من آخه این چقدر خوشگله.